In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music bot in your Discord server. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to open the Discord in your computer. If you want to open the Discord from your browser, it's completely okay. But if you have the application, you can just double click on that and then the Discord will be open for you. And once you are here, first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to click on the server in which you're going to add your bot from the left side of your screen. So for example, I'm going to add my bot in my tutorial server. So I'm going to click on that. And once you're here, you're going to click on your server name from the upper left side of your screen and then click on server settings. Then you will be able to see here the sidebar on the left side of your screen. And in here, you're going to click on app directory. You can add any music bot in your server, but in this video, we're going to use the green bot as our music bot. So just type in green bot and then hit enter. Then you will be able to see here this green bot on the top of this list with a server count of 1.1 million. So you're going to click on that and then click on add to server. Then you're going to select the server in which you're going to add your bot. For me, it's tutorial server, so I'm not going to change it and then click on continue. Here are the permissions which you are authorizing to this bot, and once you have just checked them, you can scroll down and then click on authorize. And then you're going to fill up a CAPTCHA to verify if you're a human. Then the music bot will be added to your Discord server. Then you are able to see here that we have the introduction message of Greenbot. So to listen to music, first of all, you're going to join a voice channel yourself. So to do so, you're just going to click on any of these voice channels in your server. And after that, you're also going to make this Greenbot join this voice channel. First of all, you're going to type in /join, select join command and then hit enter. And after that, the Greenbot will also join your voice channel. So if you want to play a music, you're going to type in a command which is /play and then select the first command which is play, and in the query, you're going to type in the name of the music which you want to play. For copyright issues, I'm not going to play it here, but you can type in any name over here and then you can hit enter, and after that it will start playing the music. And if you are not able to listen to that music, make sure you have undeafened your settings from here. If it is like this, you're going to click once on this option and then it will be undeafened. And after that, you should be good to go.